Is Timebucks a legit way to earn online? Yes, Timebucks is legit, but it's not a fast track to big money. It's a get paid to platform that rewards you for completing small online tasks. You can earn by watching videos, answering surveys, playing games, posting on social media, and even using your webcam for passive income. It's available worldwide and pays in cash or crypto with a $10 minimum payout. Many users confirm they've been paid reliably. And the platform has been around for years with a solid reputation. But here's the catch: the pay per task is low, often just a few cents. Surveys can be inconsistent, and some tasks require a lot of time for little reward. It's best for people with spare time who want to earn a few extra bucks, not for those looking for a full time income. So, yes, it's real. But if you value your time highly, it might not be worth it. Treat it as a side hustle, not a job replacement.